Hey, it's Easy Glaze with Peace and Nature. Welcome back to the channel. So unfortunately I already did the reset, but my screen froze, and now this only has what we have on it now, 33,000 miles, and I just got this car 2-3 months ago, and I was shook. I was like, why? No, please. But thank God to YouTube University. Shout out to, I believe, her I don't know if it's a her or him. It was EV with Kaz. I didn't even listen to the audio. I just saw the video, saw what the person did, and what they did was they held these two buttons for about, so let me tell you, it was just froze. It said Bolt EV. For that person's video, it was froze on the radio screen. But whatever, if it's frozen, all you got to do is hold these two buttons. They stated in their video for 5 seconds. I counted a bit more, but yeah, hold it for 5 seconds, it'll reset. I promise you. Don't be scared, you'll be good. Thanks for watching. Peace.